Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kate Wolf. This video will be a continuation of painting parrots. These two birds are probably the same species but different color, I don't know, but they are kissing and they seems to be friends. So let's get started. I'll start with painting the green one. So I've mixed this green with the blue and yellow color and dip a bit of red color at the tip of the brush to make the gradients a bit more dynamic. Parrots are large birds with a long curved bill, upright stand, and strong legs. Most of the parrots are colorful and some are multicolored. A lot of people love keeping parrots as pets because they are incredibly smart, sociable, and friendly. They would kiss to show love and trust, not only among themselves, but also with the owners. The bill is probably the most challenging for painting parrots because you have to make it look like a hook with a bit of thickness on the bill. Now I'm using ink to paint the branch for them to perch on. The second parrot will be standing on the other side of the branch, and the belly is a shade of orange color and red, but I basically just did red for the wings, tails, and head because there will be some residual color and water on my brush, so I don't really need to remix it. And I'm using orange and red tone for the bill. I didn't look at the videos I took before I painted this, so the imagery of the birds was just a memory. I didn't even notice that there are blue and some other colors on this parrot, but it doesn't matter. Painting is a painting, not a photo. I'm also painting apricots, which the parrots would love in a natural environment. Fruit trees look very similar. A lot of them have large leaves and the fruit matures when there are still leaves, so it's a matter of balancing the composition and color. The apricot is an orange color with a bit of red tone. If you're wondering why I am painting parrots again, the reason is very simple. I normally will practice a new subject that I just learned on wanting to create and keep practicing it until I master it or I'm happy with whatever I created, and then I'll try it on different compositions to create a variety. I'm finishing it with the strong feet and the eyes. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet and like this type of content, please consider subscribing and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out the new updates. I'll see you next time.